create USA Gmail account. So if you want to create USA Gmail account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser. Once you're under your browser, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and go with add account. Once you're under the add account, now you just need to simply go with create account and then choose for your personal use, for your child, or for your work or business. So I'll be choosing personal use. And then you need to enter your first and last name. So I'll be entering the name and go with next. And after that, enter your date of birth and go with gender. And after that, go with next. And now choose an email address, or you can simply create your own Gmail address if you don't like that, or you can use your existing email. So I'll be choosing this one and then go with next and enter your password. So make sure you've entered the correct password or a strong password. Once you've created your password, you need to go with next and you can add your recovery email address. So I'll be choosing a recovery email address and then go with next. And you can go with review your account info if you want to review, or just go with next if you're satisfied. Scroll down, go with I agree, and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create a USA account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.